Hi everybody, it's been a long while since I've posted anything on my journey with my drones. Having watched a lot of YouTube videos on one thing and another, I decided that I needed to do something a little bit more challenging from a hobby perspective, and also looking at the commercial aspects of flying drones and how you'd go about it. I'm new to this, hopefully you'll follow me on my journey.
Over the next few videos that I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the things that I did to help me prepare this video, and the things that you'll need to do and achieve to hopefully take your drone flying to the next level, and maybe even take on a commercial project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for if you want to see more content. Please leave your comments, but please be gentle. Remember, we all started somewhere in this life, and hopefully have a safe flight the next time you go out. Thank you. Bye.